Hey there guys, Derek here from the IT Geeks, and I'm going to show you how to clear your browser cache in Google Chrome. The first step is to either press Ctrl or Command Y, depending on your PC system, or just simply click the little three dots at the top right and then click History. Normally you'll see any website you recently visited within the past year, that is, if you've never basically cleaned your history before, but to do so, just click Clear Browsing Data and a second menu will pop up. Here you will see different items. Browsing history will clear your history of any websites you've recently visited. Cookies and other site data will log you out of websites and remove saved passwords from those sites, as well as any information that helps websites recognize you. Finally, cached images and files will basically remove saved photos that load from websites, such as ads or different pictures on websites. To do a more thorough clean, click Advanced and more options will pop up. The three options from before are here as well, but the newer options that pop up include download history, passwords, which just means any websites you have your password saved on, and then autofill from data, which removes any websites that automatically fill in your username and password when asked, content settings, hosted app data, and media licenses, which is things such as shared content on Google Drive. There's definitely no need to clear everything, but we will go ahead and do so just for the sake of this tutorial. So click whichever items you wish to clear and then click Clear Data, and that's all it takes. Doing this will help your browser run faster and better, as well as give your PC some more storage. It's also always best to clear your history at least once a month to keep your PC at optimal level. And that's all there really is to cleaning your history and cache information. So thank you for watching. My name is Derek Tyndall with the IT Geeks. Follow us on social media at EKU Geeks, and I will see you guys next video.